Good morning, everyone. The food tuk-tuk didn't come today. You notice I didn't shave yesterday and the white hair's coming through. Still, catch of the century. Anyway, we'll have a look at what we're doing. I'm just simply going to, I've just put 3 eggs in there, just giving it a quick little whisk. Put oil in the pan, a wok, you all know. Make sure the gas bottle's turned on. This is how you do it here. Not turned on enough. Heat's on. Turn the heat down a little bit. In it goes. I guess it's an omelette of sorts. Just let that just cook away. Should only be maximum 1 more minute. And I may eat with it, well, I've certainly got sticky rice, which is delivered every morning by the next door neighbour. Look at that, she even put a little plastic bag to keep it fresh. How's that for good neighbours? Here I am sorting out my ceramics. Here we have 4,000-year-old ceramics. 4 to 5 to 8,000 years old, I should be more specific. Bunchiang, which is around 2,000 years old. 1,000-year-old beads. That's a doctor's tool, or a pharmacist's tool, if you want to call it that. The medicine man's tool. 3,500 years old. Sukhothai. And there you probably got about $5,000 worth of ceramics there, because these are very, very rare. The oldest known ceramics in Southeast Asia. And I've got a collection of it. Anyway, got to pay attention to my cooking, and I think that's done. How's that? Smoking away nicely. So I'll have to open up the louver windows, and that's, I'll take a shower soon and have a shave. So, any girls want to join me? I look terrible. Signing out.